This is one rabbit hole you're never gonna forget. Chances are, if you've ever eaten manufactured foods, you have eaten this creature. And interestingly enough, it has a weird connection between these two. Here we have your lac bug. This is an Asian scale insect that lives on trees and produces secretions that are used in the production of shellac. When you first Google shellac, you'll see this. Shellac is a resin secreted by the female lac bug on trees in the forests of India and Thailand. Let's take a disgusting trip with this guy to see how and where this stuff comes from.
So come along and travel with me to the jungles of eastern India. The white threads seen on the encrustations are wax secreted by the insects through their breathing and anal pores. The lac encrusted branches are scraped and the dried lac is accumulated. This is called sticklac. It contains the dead insects and is crushed to break open the pods to release the red dye. The dye is used as coloring matter in the textile, printing, and food industry.
This part is especially creepy. Here, the Department of Agriculture tested this shellac for arsenic. The data show that all of the samples examined contained arsenic. Here it makes it to our food as a resinous glaze. And apparently they need to add an alcohol-based solution to make it food grade. Of course, the FDA had to get in there and approve this stuff as quickly as possible. They're using just the right amount of arsenic, so we're okay. Nearly 100,000 bugs died to produce 1 pound of shellac flakes, which are combined with alcohol to make a confectioner's glaze. So we have your dead scale parasite anal secretion resin that we smash these dead parasites into, then add arsenic and alcohol so that it's safe to add to your food, beer, cosmetics, and much more. If you're wondering why you've never heard about this, it's because it's deliberately disguised. Believe it or not, this rabbit hole keeps going, but I think we get the point.